Hello, hi guys. What's up guys, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record your computer screen, how to adjust the mouse cursor, and also how to do pan and zoom on your screen recording using ActivePresenter 9. This is a great tool for those of you who want to create tutorial video, e-learning courses, and also demo video, software simulation and stuff like that. I've been using it for years and I believe that it is one of the best tools on the market. And if you want to try the software, go ahead to the link in the description to download it. And if you want to purchase the software, this is the right time for you. It is November and Black Friday is next week. So ActivePresenter is 40% off for old license, standard license, pro license, and edu license. So you can save a lot of money, okay? And believe me, this is one of the best tools for creating online training video, software tutorial, and software simulation, and even e-learning courses also. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Okay, welcome back to my channel. By the way, I don't need this microphone because I will use this one to have better audio, okay? So first up, you need to go to the website of Automate System. Let me show you the main website because you need to download it and install it on your computer. Okay, it is free to download. Just go here to their website and you see the download button. Remember to select this tool, ActivePresenter 9. If you want to read more information about the tools, it is right here. Okay, so by the way, this is their Black Friday super sale, 40% off on own product. And now we can buy ActivePresenter to see the pricing plan. Sale of 40%, Black Friday, November 22nd. It's mean today until December 5th. Okay. And we can buy now. So you see here, they have standard license, pro license, and pro edu license. And let's open ActivePresenter. Let me show you how to record your computer screen first. So here is the start page of ActivePresenter. So currently I'm using a free edition. It is possible to do zoom and pan and change the mouse cursor and export to MP4 with a free version. But with a standard version, you can remove the watermark and also it is for commercial use. Okay, so first up, we want to click here, record screen as video. And right now I'm using another screen recorder to record my webcam. So maybe I would not select recording webcam using ActivePresenter, okay? And be mentioned that you can record your webcam separately with ActivePresenter and you can edit your webcam, make it full screen and shrink it down, stuff like that, okay? But now I will select record screen as video and turn off my webcam, okay? To avoid conflict with my current screen recorder. And now we can select full screen. You can select a part of the screen or a lock application with this tool. And secondly, we can select the microphone, and I have multiple microphones. This one is the microphone that I'm currently using. And I have another one here attached to my computer. Actually, this is the microphone that I need to do a review video. Okay, so we can try it. And you have the option to record system audio also right here. And we can click record. And after the countdown, it will be recording my computer screen. Okay, hello, this is Jacky. And this is ActivePresenter recording. And this is my desktop. It looks very clean. By the way, it is messing up. Something like that. Or we can open the web page and go to the website. See here, this is the Black Friday page of ActivePresenter. And you can see this is the price for standard, 119. And this is the price for pro license, 239. And this is for educational, 119. Oh, it is the same. It is the same. Maybe something wrong. Oh no, this is pro edu, meaning that professional license. Okay, now we can stop ActivePresenter. So just find it right here at the notification area. And we can select it. And when you select the icon here, you see this is a recording frame. You can pause it and you can stop it or you can delete the recording, okay? And now we can click stop recording. Stop. And it will come to the project page where you can edit your video. Okay, so that is the first thing I want to show you, how to record your computer screen using ActivePresenter. And the next thing is the zoom and pan effect. I think it is very interesting when you do screen recording, especially those of you who want to show other people how to use the software. You need to zoom in your screen so that people can see it better. Otherwise, it is very small. Okay, so in order to do the zoom and pan in ActivePresenter, you need to put the playhead here at the position you want to zoom. For example, at this position. Okay, and then you want to click the insert button here at the toolbar. Click the insert and then look at the right side. There is a zoom and pan button. You need to just click it, and there is a box here on your video. Okay, so this is the ending part or the ending box. It will zoom into this box. Okay, so there is a box where you can adjust the position you want to zoom, and you can click here and move it. For example, I want to zoom in at the center. We can align it like this. Okay, and we can put the playhead here and then play. And now ActivePresenter will zoom in like this. Okay, hello, this is Jacky, and this, you see that it is zoom in. And now what if you want to zoom out? You do the same. Just click here at the zoom and pan button again. Just click here and it will add another zoom and pan. And now you need to make it full screen like this. And now zoom in and then zoom out. Interesting, right? And play again. Okay, hello, this is Jacky, and this is ActivePresenter recording. And so that's interesting, right? So that is how to zoom in and zoom out in ActivePresenter. But if you want to adjust the speed of the zoom, it is also possible. You see here, there is a box on the timeline. This is the duration of the zoom effect. So if you want to slow it down, you can just click here at this green button, and then you can drag it like this. So the duration will be 3 seconds. Zoom in here, 1 second, and zoom out to full screen. It is 3 seconds. And let's play again. Hey, hello, this is Jacky, and this is ActivePresenter recording, and it is my desktop. It looks very okay, so that's why it called zoom and pan. And you can also move the position of the zoom and pan box also. If you don't want to zoom in or zoom out at this position, you can click at this box and then move it to here. So it will be zoom in right here and zoom out right here. Okay, so let's play it. Okay, hello, this is Jacky, and this is ActivePresenter recording, and it is my desktop. It looks very clean, by the way. It is messing up, something like that. Okay, so this is the second thing I want to show you, is how to zoom and pan in ActivePresenter. And the last thing I want to show you in this video is how to adjust the mouse cursor or the mouse cursor effect. You see, this is the mouse cursor, and it is very small. On my video, it is just a white dot, which is super small. We cannot even see the mouse cursor. And now I can add a yellow effect around the mouse cursor in ActivePresenter, and also the mouse click, right click and left click. So it is super easy. Okay, first thing, you need to select the screen video, which is on the timeline. This is the screen video, and go to the right side, which is the property of the screen video. Okay, and then you want to select this video media, and you see this is the cursor effect. Okay, so first up, cursor highlight. We can select circle or square. It's up to you. I will select circle. Okay, I will go with circle, and I can change the size also, but maybe 16 I think is enough. And I can reduce or increase the opacity of the yellow here. Okay, and if you want to have left click effect, you can select it here. Normally it will be none. So this is a click sound and this is a click effect. So I can select click sound and mouse click number 1, and for click effect I can concentric circle. Okay, and it will be red, by the way. I can customize it. And down here you can even select left double click effect. Okay, so we can select click cell like this, and we can select click effect circle, and we can change the color to green, and we can select apply to all, so it will apply the same cursor effect to all the video on the timeline. Okay, apply to all. And finally, we need to export the video to see the effect, the cursor effect and stuff like that. Okay, in order to export the video in ActivePresenter, you need to click the export button, and we mentioned that currently I'm using a free version of ActivePresenter, but we have the standard version and pro version. We can click the export button. With free version, you can export to video, okay, video format right here, and then you want to name it and save it on your computer, and you can keep all these things, video size and width and height and quality, stuff like that, and you can click OK and wait for it. Okay, now I will click OK. By the way, I can delete this video first. I can delete this slide first because it is not a correct slide, it is a failed slide. Okay, we can click export again and export and click OK. And yes, recording my computer screen. Okay, hello, this is Jacky, and this is ActivePresenter recording, and it is my desktop. It looks very clean. By the way, it is messing up, something like that. Or we can open the web page and go to the website. See here, that is the Black Friday page of ActivePresenter, and you can see this is the price for standard. Okay, so that is 3 interesting features in ActivePresenter 9. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know at the comment section below. And if you want to try the software, go ahead to the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.